Welcome to NVK Projects Work and Training Institute. In this video, you see about paper cup making machine. Let's see the obstacle of this project. Computer-based paper cup machines are so expensive, so we develop high efficiency, compact and economic paper cup making machine. In this video, AC motor is mounted in bottom side, connected with the pulley using belt drive to rotate the crankshaft to move the ram up and down the paper cup between punch and die. Let's see the working video of this project. In our institute, we provide mechanical, automobile, mechatronics, main and mini projects are available here. All over Tamil Nadu, project kit material delivery in 3 days, free online demonstration, online payments available, 100% working delivery. For more details, contact below number. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.